What's up guys, it's the RC here and we're back with another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Fiesta ST Rally VR46 Special Edition from Traxxas. We'll be right back after the break. And here it is guys, the Ford Fiesta ST Rally Valentino Rossi edition from Traxxas. This box has nice graphic details and it has all of the features of the car on it, which shows you what you are going to be getting and some of the features that this kit actually includes. Alright guys, let's get straight into it and see what's in the box. Let's take off the body clips and see what's under the body. I like how the body is surrounded in this plastic wrap. It's protecting it from shipping and handling. And I'm also surprised that Traxxas did not include styrofoam in the packaging. And the car is held in by two cable ties, which secures it firmly into the box. So let's cut those off and get a closer look at the kit. Now you may wondering, where is the controller? It's actually under the car, so let's remove the packaging and see what's available for us. Here's your 2.4 GHz controller, which has steering trim only. This is due to the skill level of the car, which is 1. And here's your bag of tools and your user guide to operate this kit. The car features waterproof electronics for all weather, all season RC excitement. Titan 12-turn 550 modified motor, scale all-terrain front and rear tires, which offers superior on and off-road traction. The car features low center gravity fiber composite monocross chassis with high approach angle front bumper. And of course, the body is an officially licensed Valentino Rossi VR46 body.